Hey guys, it's Rhonda Nicholson here, an instructional designer at Athens State University. In this short video, I will be describing to you my designs that I have just created. In the near future, I plan to open my own business, and these will be the start of my displays for my website that I'm about to create. I'm hosting a baby shower for my daughter. My granddaughter's name is Charlotte, and you see these ornaments on the tree. I created these through Adobe Photoshop. I'm excited because these are my first ones, and this beautiful tree that I created, every ornament on there. On the top of it, these are mums, and it's created through tissue paper. You buy the tissue paper at the Dollar General for 97 cents up to $1.29 a piece. At Hobby Lobby, these mums are worth $17 a piece. So I have created about maybe 10 or 15 of these, and I've also been asked to make several folks some of these. And I'm hoping that I can start my website and get my own business going real soon. I'm going to walk around the corner here, and I'm going to show you some of the mums that I have made as well. We're having the party here at my home, and I'm trying to decorate. My stairwell has got, as you see, I've color coded them white and pink all the way up. So I'm very excited to get the party started and to see what the future holds for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.